Hello everyone, and welcome to this 10-minute evening flow, starting by just taking a few deep breaths, finding some stillness, and then when you're ready, gently twisting the body, looking over the left shoulder. And twisting the body, and then looking over the right shoulder. Keeping the breath steady. Gently release. And then bring the soles of the feet to touch, coming into butterfly pose, reaching the chest up. Sometimes just staying up here is enough, or if it's available, leaning the chest forwards, pressing the elbows into the knees, moving at your own pace. Bringing the chest back up. Swinging the feet round, we'll move into tabletop position. Inhale, gaze moves up, coming into cow pose. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, gaze moves up. And exhale, just moving through these two poses with your breath at your own pace. Slowly coming back to a neutral spine, tucking the toes under, making your way into downward facing dog, and we'll paddle through the legs. And holding, keeping the knees slightly bent. And stepping the left foot forwards, dropping the right knee down towards the mat, interlocking the fingers, pressing the hand against the thigh, keeping the shoulders down. Gently breathe. Bringing the hands towards the mat, send the hips back into half split. The left knee stays slightly bent. Slowly breathing here. Bringing the body forwards, bringing both hands onto the right side of the foot, walking the left foot out towards the edge of the mat, lifting the hand, gently pressing it against the knee. Feeling that space in the left hip. Breath stays nice and steady. Releasing the hands towards the mat, walking the foot back in, lifting the right knee up, stepping the left foot back into downward facing dog. And then when you're ready, you'll step the right foot forwards, coming into a low lunge, interlocking the fingers, pressing the hands against the thigh. Gently breathe. Releasing the hands, moving into half split. Right knee stays slightly bent. Not forcing anything. Slowly allowing the body to open up. Bringing the body forwards. Both hands come onto the left side of the foot, walking the right foot out, lifting the hand, pressing it against the knee. Gently release, walking the right foot back in, lifting up the left knee, stepping the right foot back into downward dog. We'll take a few breaths here. Dropping the knees towards the mat, walk the hands forward into puppy pose, feeling that space in the shoulders, releasing through the chest, just melting into the mat. Walking the hands back up into tabletop, lifting the right hand, putting it underneath the left, lifting the left hand, placing it above the head. Using the left hand to lift the body up, we'll now switch sides, threading the left hand underneath the right. Right hand is placed above the head. Lifting the body up, sitting the hips back, swooping the feet round, and coming to lie down onto the mat. Bringing the right knee in towards the chest, and then releasing it over towards the left side. We can cactus the right arm. Gently release, and we'll switch sides, bringing the left knee in towards the chest and then over towards the right side, cactusing the left arm. slowly release, releasing the left leg down towards the mat. And now moving into the final shavasana, allowing the eyes to close. Bringing the attention to the breath and following the breath all the way to the end of the inhale, to the very end of the exhale, finding some stillness just for these few moments. And thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again.